Okay, good afternoon, Sir Johannes, as the lecturer of research methodology subject. My name is Wedermawan Gea. My student number ID is 22033211062. I am from Digging E 2020. Now I'm gonna present how I analyzed my data for these questions. I mean question number 2 and number 3. So let's get started. I will open the questions. It is the question number B. Number 2. Here the instruction is calculate the standard deviation and variance of the data below. So actually this is the number, just number, not score. It is just number, and then it is the score of the students. There are 10 scores. So let's copy these scores to the Excel. I'm going to use Excel to analyze the data. As the instruction, calculate the standard deviation. So I type here standard deviation. Here I'm going to use this formula to find the result of standard deviation. The formula is STDEV. And then we block all these scores, and then we press enter on the keyboard. So here is the result of standard deviation, 1.33794. And then second one is we are told to find the variance. So I'm gonna use this formula. The formula is using var, VAR, and then block all the scores, and then press enter on the keyboard. So we have got the result of variance. So now the question number 2 is done. And then I'm gonna analyze the question number 3. Here I'm using Excel as well to analyze my data. We're gonna find the result of error. Here we are told to calculate the correlation coefficient of the two variables using the formula. This is my answer, and then let's move to Excel. So here is the two variables, variable X and variable Y. To find out the correlation coefficient of these two variables, I'm going to use the formula Pearson. I'm going to type it on the Excel. So luckily it is the simple way to get the result of correlation. We just type here Pearson, and then we block all data X. So after blocking this data, we type semicolon on the keyboard. After typing semicolon, and then we block all data Y, and then press enter. So boom, this is the result. So that's all how I analyze my data. The first using the formula of standard deviation, and then using the formula of variance, and the last one using the formula of Pearson to find out the correlation. So that's all my video on how to analyze the data based on two questions. Thank you.